Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, let us calculate purchase consideration. Now, the question is on the screen. Kindly take the screenshot of the question. Badri Limited is taken over by Kedar Limited on the following terms. So, Badri Limited is taken over by Kedar Limited. So, here Badri Limited is selling company and Kedar Limited is ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬದ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ತನ್ನ ಕಂಪನಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಕೇದಾರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಬದ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೇದಾರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ದ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬದ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 30 lakh and rupees 10 lakh respectively. Rupees 5,000 shall be paid in cash and the balance consideration shall be discharged by the issue of shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 50%. Calculate the purchase consideration and even find out the total number of shares issued by Badri Limited. Now let us see how to calculate this problem. Okay, first we all know that we should write the assets. Now the assets and the liabilities of Badri Limited will be valued at rupees 30 lakh and rupees 10 lakh respectively. Means 30 lakh is assets and liabilities are 10 lakh. So what is the total assets? It is 30 lakh. Then they have given direct liabilities. So less liabilities. How much is the liabilities? 10 lakh. So when you minus this 10 lakh from 30 lakh, you will get 20 lakh. What is this 20 lakh? It is purchase consideration. Now read the question. Rupees 5,000 shall be paid in cash and the balance of consideration shall be discharged by the issue of shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 50%. Now see here, they have even given the mode of discharge. Means this 20 lakh, how Kedar Limited will give it to Badri Limited, that also they have given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನದು ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್? ಈ 20 ಲಕ್ಷನ ಕೇದಾರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಬದ್ರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ rupees 5,000 shall be paid in cash. So that is known as statement of discharge of purchase consideration. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Payment of cash. Payment of cash. How much cash they are giving? They are paying 5,000 rupees cash. Next, what they have told? Balance of the consideration. Balance means you have to minus this 5,000 from 20 lakh, which you will get 19 lakh 95,000. This is the balance. Will be discharged by issue of shares. So here they are what they are issuing? They are doing issue of shares of rupees 10 each. Each share value is rupees 10 at a premium of 50%. So rupees 10 share they are issuing at how much? 50% premium. Now we have to calculate that premium amount. Now how to calculate that premium amount? See, face value of share is how much? Rupees 10. So premium how much? Premium they have told 50%. So rupees 10 into 50% is nothing but rupees 5. So 5 rupees is premium. So total value of share equals, first the face value is 10 rupees plus premium is 5 rupees, which is equals to rupees 15. Means 10 rupees share value they are issuing at 15 rupees. 10 share in a face value 10 rupees ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ 50% ಅಂದರೆ 10 into 50% ಅಂದರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 10 each at rupees 15. Have shown how to calculate that 15 rupees. So this is how they have discharge the purchase consideration. Now see the question, last question. Calculate the purchase consideration and even find out the total number of shares issued by Badri Limited. Total number of shares. Now, what is the total value? Total value of shares issued is 19,95,000 divided by what is the value of shares issued? It is 15 rupees. So divide by 15. So when you divide 19,95,000 by 15 rupees, you will get 1,33,000. So total number of shares issued equals 1,33,000. So total 1,33,000 shares they are issuing. Each share value is 15 rupees. Hope you have understood this problem, and the notes and the question I have put in the first comment. Kindly download it from the link and study. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.